Chatting with somebody?
Yes, I was chatting.
Please stop and just listen here.
Okay.
See, what you should have to write in the record book, I'm just going to explain right now. Later, I will not do that. Those who are attending the meeting, they will get that, what they should write and where they should write all these details. The others will miss that. Okay. Now see, my dear, others will write in their own wish. What will happen later, I will tell them to remove all these papers. Rishikesh, Fahim, Yahya, Abdul Aziz, please switch on the camera. Even Fatima, Ashraf, Shraddha, Asna, Shahir. Switch on the camera, all of you. Asna, Shahir.
Yes, sir.
Switch on the camera. Okay, Azim, switch on the camera. Azim and Mahavish, please switch on the camera.
Sir, I'll be switching on the time after 5 minutes.
Okay.
Traveling right
Okay. Now see, my dears, I'm just going to share the document. You can just see that what I'm just sharing. After that, you can also that I will send you that the PDF file. So later, after that, you can start out, my dears, writing part. Now, is it visible? I will share that. Is it? Please check that whether is it visible or not. Is it visible, all of you? Is it visible?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
So this is the record. So you can see that right hand side only we will write. Okay. So in this first page, it is correct only. So it's the experiment 1 you can write. After that experiment 1, here there is no what, my dears, observation and calculation in experiment number 1. But you can see that in results, there are some values that you don't need to write now. See, you can write, there is no issue. In the first one, you can write the result also, light green, monoclinic, that you can write. Okay, so the first experiment is done. So what is the first experiment? The first experiment is volumetric analysis. Then you can just, what, my dears, start writing experiment number 1. That experiment number 1, whatever I am sending, that you can just copy it. Clear or not? First experiment is clear? Okay. The second experiment, when you are going to the second experiment, here also preparation of standard solution of Mohs salt. So here also you can write whatever it is there, the same way you can continue. There is no change. And the third one, standardization of KMnO4 by using 0.05 molar Mohs salt solution. Here, you should have to see here that calculation and observation is there. Calculations are there, right? This calculation you no need to write. No need to write these calculations because it's different from their value. Our value is different from them, right? So this calculation page you should not write. you can see that there is no line. That means it's in the left side actually. So that left side, that documents or whatever I'm sending, you no need to write that one. Clear? So this calculation, you no need to write. Just keep it word my dears empty. But you can just no need that tabular column also you don't want to draw. Yes, simply leave this page. Okay. So you don't want to keep the space for this one. You can continuously write because there will be space in the left hand side that you can use it. Okay, so then this you should write wherever that lines you are just visible, that you should write. Now see my dears, the fourth experiment. Here also you can just see that in results there is a value 0.009, the 1.622. These values are there, right? That values you no need to write because your values will be different from them. Okay, so no need to write that values. If anybody have doubt means please ask my dears. Okay. Then experiment number 4, this all you can write. This all you can write. Then experiment number 5. In experiment number 5, this calculation, observation and calculation is not required. Observation and calculation you no need to write. Then the remaining you can continue. And chromatography 6, this you can write. This value, chromatography value you can write. There is no issue to write that chromatographic values. You can write that values. Clear or not? So these are the 6 experiments you should write in the where my dears in volumetric analysis. How many of you understood this one? If anybody have doubt, then just ask. First page it should be volumetric analysis. Then wherever that observation and calculation is there, that you can skip that page.
Sir, the volumetric analysis for chromatography is all on the left side, the blank page, right? Only that one you draw on the blank page.
You don't need to give any blank page, my dear. Chromatography, you just keep it continuously. You can write it as experiment number 6.
Oh, okay.
Any other doubt? If you want, just note it down, my dears, where you should have to remove the observation and calculation. So the same document I'm going to share with you. Okay. So here you can see that experiment number. See, don't make mistake. Don't make mistake. If you made mistake, again rewriting, you should have to buy a new record. All these things will happen. So better no need to don't make any mistake, my dears. That is the reason I didn't send till now, because I want to explain you properly how to write, where to write, all these things. Have you understood? All of you? Aaron understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So calculation, observation and calculation from experiment number 3 and experiment number 5. You can remove that word, my dears, calculation and observation. Wafik, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rohan, is it clear? Rohan?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now this is the first part of the that what my dears record work, and second part will be what my dears organic analysis. What is the second one? Organic analysis. That also I will share right now. Just give me 1 minute. This is the organic analysis. Before starting this one, you should have to keep one page. You know that one, how you wrote that volumetric analysis, right? The same way in big letters, you should have to write organic analysis. Then experiment number 7, test for alcoholic group. No need to change anything. You can write the same thing. Then first one is alcoholic group. The second one is what, my dears? Test for phenolic group. And see, my dears, each and everything you can try to write in 2 pages, because we need to write the chemical reaction also. Along with this, we should have to write the chemical reaction, so that chemical reactions are not there. So each and everything, you see, my dears, after that, what, my dears, the test. For example, I'll tell you. See, this experiment number A is that 7. 7, you can see that ester formation test. After the ester formation test, after just finishing that 3 tests, just keep 4 to 5 lines for writing the chemical reaction. Each and every test, see, you can see that. See, this is experiment number 7, right? Experiment number 7, before result, 5 lines should be there. Okay. And experiment number 8, after the test, 5 lines. See, here you can see only 2 lines are there. Instead of that 2 lines, minimum you should have to leave 5 lines, because we need to write a chemical reactions over there. Okay. So now CBSE is asking that chemical reaction also. So we need to write that last year enrolled that chemical reaction is not mandatory, but this year the chemical reaction is required. So that is the reason I'm telling you 5 lines you should remove, and we will add that what chemical reaction. So experiment number 9, test for aldehyde group. Aldehyde group, you can see that after that test, you can just keep 5 lines for writing that what, my dear, reaction. Experiment number 10 also, carboxylic acid. After that writing part, you can just leave what, my dear, 5 lines space you can leave, and after that you can write the result. Now see, those who are not listening the class, they will be in trouble. Am I right or wrong, my dears? Because am I right, my dears? Those who are not listening to the class, those who are not attending the class, they will be in trouble, because I will share these documents in the WhatsApp. What they will do, they will continuously, they will write. What will happen? Everything will be mistaken, right? So if you are made the mistake, you should have to start from the beginning again. Is it clear, my dears? If anybody have doubt, please ask right now. If anybody have doubt, you just ask me.
In the first PDF, only in experiment 3 and experiment 5, we don't need to write observational calculation, right?
Yes.
Only one
there.
change is there, right?
Yeah. Here, after all the test, you should keep 5 lines. Space you should keep.
Okay.
To write the chemical reaction. Any other doubt? Anybody else have doubt? How to write that record book? How to write the record book? If anybody have doubt, please ask. Tamim, is it clear, Tamim? Tamim, is it clear? Minha, Alton.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will share that documents today, because I given already the explanation how to write and where to write. So this all document that informations I given. Now you can start what, my dear, writing part. Right now I will share that in the group. 12B students, Praveen sir will send you that document. Okay, Praveen sir will send you the document. 12A, now itself you will get the document. Can you please check that 12A students? Can you please check that your WhatsApp, whether you received or not? Did you receive that, my dears? Just check. Shraddha, please check and tell.
Didn't receive.
Didn't receive?
Yes, sir.
One second. Let me try this. Okay, I'm joining now. How was your preparation going on, my dears? How's your preparation going on? Shraddha, how's the preparation going on?
Yeah, it's not bad. I did coordination compounds in chemistry.
Only
Finished
that
that.
chapter.
What's it?
Only that chapter.
No, and then electrochemistry, I tried starting. Then, yeah.
What about Neeraj?
Okay, sir.
Okay, in the sense?
Okay, in the sense of
Hmm?
pace, good grade.
Krish, what about you, Krish? Started the preparation?
No, sir, we'll start.
Fatima Ashraf, Rishikesh, Mavish, Azim, Abdulaziz. Please switch on the camera. Diana. Diana. So can anybody please tell me what all the topics we discussed in the last class? Can anyone please tell me? Who's ready to tell that? Fast. What we discussed in the last class. Tell me, my dears.
We learn the structure of coordination compounds.
Coordination compounds. Then
The
what are the
coordination,
topics?
coordination sphere was there, then center metal atom, and after the first element will be the center metal atom, which is most probably a D block element. After that comes all the other elements inside the coordination sphere, other than the center metal atom, is the ligands, and they are the ones which donate a pair of electrons, and the number of electrons donated can have monodende, bidende, or polydende, which can show number of how many pairs of electrons have been donated. Monodende means one pair, bidende means two pairs, and polydende means more than two. We also checked a difference between double salt and one second, double salt and coordination compounds.
Double bond and coordination compounds. What is the difference between double bond and
Double
coordination
salt.
compounds?
Double salt. If both of these are what reacted with water, or in double salt, all the contents inside the sphere and outside the sphere will be ionized. But in coordination, this one only the elements. Sorry, only the parts outside the coordination sphere will be ionized, because the sphere will protect the.
Okay, then.
Only that.
What is the name of that? The elements comes outer that coordination sphere is called
Non-complex compounds.
non-complex part, or
I learned it non-complex compounds.
what is another name? Any others?
Counter-ion.
Counter ion. The name of that compound is called what, my dears? Counter ion. Okay, then. Tell me. Then what we learn? See, my dears, in this chapter, the theories, I will discuss what, my dears. When we are just in the physical class, I will discuss the theory, because in online discussing the theory is very difficult. Am I right, my dears? Very difficult, and you will not understand. So I will tell you some tricks and easy tips to learn what, my dears, coordination compounds chapter. Okay, whatever is coming for the examination, if you're listening here itself, you will understand. Okay, so the simple tricks and tricks that is, see, those who are attending today the class, they should get some benefit, right? So that benefit I'm going to tell you today. So those who are not attending, this is I'm not going to explain in the classroom as well. So this is the tip and that what my dear, the tricks we are using in the coordination compounds, especially those who are attending that what my dear, the examination. So other than that board examination, those who are attending, this is the way we used to teach, and they can easily score marks from this chapter, my dears. So that is the reason I'm going to teach that topic today. Instead of teaching what, my dears, the theories from this chapter, I'm going to discuss about what, my dears, some tricks and tips to learn what, my dears, coordination compounds. You will not get this one from anywhere in the what, my dears, YouTube or somewhere. No, this is the easy the tips and tricks I'm just going to explain. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, my dears? Who all are there? Just please raise the hand, those are here. I want to see who all are there. Raise the hand, raise hand, raise hand. Fast. Fast. The tips and tricks you want or not, my dears? You need it? Or else no need? Then can I go for the chapters?
Yes, please, sir.
What, please?
Tips and tricks, please, sir.
Okay. So if you are that difficult, if you are feeling that difficult to learn this chapter, whatever I'm just teaching today, if you are learning that, that will be definitely help you for your examination. That's my confidence. So can we start? See, my dears, for that, just okay, fine, enough. Now you can lower your hands and just listen here, my dears. I'm just going to share my whiteboard here. Are you able to see the whiteboard, my dears? Are you able to see the whiteboard? Are you able to see the whiteboard, my dears? Are you able to see the whiteboard, my dears? Yes or no? Yes. That's it, my dears. Only 40 are joining, only 44, 45 are there. Okay, no issues. Now, see, my dears. See, here, if you want to know this chapter very easily, you should know that mainly we are going to learn 11 things. The first one is the type. And the second one is what, my dears? The second topic what we are going to learn is what, my dears? The first one is type, and the second one is oxidation number. And the third one is what, my dears? Coordination number. And the fourth one is what, my dears? Name. And the fifth one is what, my dears? Heteroleptic or homoleptic or heteroleptic, heteroleptic or homoleptic. This already we learned, right? Can anybody please tell me what is homoleptic and heteroleptic? Please first tell me what is heteroleptic and homoleptic. Who will tell the answer? Amarasan, tell me what is homoleptic and heteroleptic. Tell me fast. Tell me.
Hello.
Clear, Amar.
Homoleptic is only one kind of ligand is there.
That is called what?
Homoleptic.
Homoleptic. Heteroleptic means what?
Different kinds of ligand in the same compound.
Okay. Now, see, my dears, you can just Wafik and those who want to write on the board, you just tell me. Okay, I can see who all are just writing on the board. Okay. So the next one is what, my dears? See, homoleptic, heteroleptic. Then you can just know that is hybridization. What is the next one? hybridization, and the next one is what, my dear? Structure. The next one is structure, and the next one is what, my dears? Outer or inner configuration. Outer or inner configuration. See, this all things we will learn today. Outer inner configuration, high spin or low spin, high spin or low spin. The next one is what, my dears? Magnetic moment. This many things we are going to learn today. Are you ready for that? These 10 things. What are the 10 things? Tell me what are the 10 things? Type, oxidation number, coordination number, name, homoleptic or heteroleptic, hybridization, structure, then what, my dears? That is outer or inner configuration. Then the next one is what, my dears? High spin or low spin, and the last one is magnetic moment. This many things. Are you ready to learn? Are you here, my dears? Are you here, my dears? Can I start?
Yes, sir.
Joel, can I start? Joel?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Joel? Okay. So now listen, my dears. See, the first one is type. Okay. What is the first one? Type. So how can we find out that type? Whether it is anionic, whether it is cationic, or it is a neutral. How can we find out all these things that we are going to discuss right now? Okay. Okay. So the theory part we will discuss in the class. Now, this is what, my dears, those who are attended today's class, those who believed our session. So for them, I'm just going to give you what, my dears, some advance, that what, my dears, the easy techniques and tricks to learn this method. Okay. Okay. Now see, my dears. Now, see, my dears, I'm just going to write a simple example. You know what is that? See, I'm just writing a simple example. Mn H2O 6 times, Mn H2O 6 times, then square bracket is closed and written Cl3. Now from this one, can you please tell me what all are there? And what is that the square bracket is called? What is the name of that square bracket? Tell me, what is this square bracket is called? If you are keeping quiet, means I will also keep you light. Yes.
Coordination sphere.
Coordination sphere. What is the first one in the coordination sphere? Who's the first one in coordination sphere? That is called what, my dear? Central metal atom. That should be majority, maximum, or what, my dears? In majority cases, the Mn will be what, my dears? It's a D block element. It's a D block element. What is this H2O, my dears? What is an H2O? H2O is what, my dears? What we can call H2O? What is the name of that H2O? Jisna, tell me what is the name of this H2O, Jisna?
Ligand.
Ligand. Then what is the Cl3 is called? Ahmad, what is the Cl3 is called? Ahmad. What is the name of the Cl3? No response? Ahmad. I think Ahmad is not there in the meeting. I will kick you out of. I'm just removing him from the meeting. Ahmad, are you here, Ahmad?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me what is the name of the Cl3? Last class we discussed what is the name of this one? Outer that coordination sphere, what is that name? Are you listening to the class or simply sitting? Omar, tell me what is the name of that? Counter ion. Now see, my dears, see how we will write in salt, my dears. How we will write a salt? For example, Jensen, what is NaCl, my dear? NaCl. It's a sodium chloride, right? It's a salt, right? Right, Jensen?
Yes.
So why you are not writing ClNa? Is it also correct, right?
No.
Chlorine and sodium. Jensen, tell me why you are not writing ClNa. If I'm writing ClNa, if it's correct or not? See, NaCl, can I able to write ClNa? Is it possible?
No.
Why? Why it's not possible? Abrin, why it's not possible ClNa?
Chlorine donates atom. So first
Because
Na
Reason tell me.
Na donates atom. So it should be
So
first.
what? So whenever you are writing a salt, the positive charge, Na by losing one electron, it will become Na plus, and Cl will lose one, gain one electron, it will become Cl minus. So whenever the positive charge is coming, you should have to give priority, and they should come on the first position. That is the rule. They should come in the first position. So whoever it is coming in that positive charge, they only write what, my dear, is the first position. Clear or not? Clear or not, my dears? So that is the reason we are not writing ClNa. What we will write? Only we will write NaCl. Clear or not, my dears? So what is the charge of Na? Na will be always cation. What is that? Na will be what, my dears? Always cation. Clear or not? This concept is clear or not? See, only that concept. Is it clear or not? Tell me. Why these students are keeping going? Yes, MnH2O 6 times. The complex is given MnH2O 6 times Cl3. See, my dears, in this, who will be ionized, my dears? Tell me, who will be ionized? We learned that. Who will ionize?
counter ion.
Counter ion. So on ionization, what we will get, my dears? We will get that what, my dears? MnH2O 6 times what, my dears? The Cl will become 3Cl minus. Am I right or wrong, my dears? Automatically, this complex will get a positive charge. Am I right or wrong, my dears? This will be the decomposition, right? See, the Cl will become what, my dears? 3Cl minus. Automatically, the 3 plus will go to the complex. Am I right or wrong? How many of you understood this one? How many of you understood this one? Tell me, those who understood. Please raise the hand, those who understood. Okay. Now see, my dears, those who are not there, I want to see. Rafan, you understood this one, Rafan?
Sir.
Are you here in the class?
Sir, I'm having 5 minutes.
Okay. Now see, my dears, see this one, see it will be positive charge. So the positive charge means what is that? Is it an anionic or cationic? Positive charge means, see, the complex is having positive charge. Complex is having positive charge. Then we can call it as what, my dears? It is cationic. What is that? Cationic. So we can simply keep it in our mind, that is, if the non-complex part is coming on the right, the non-complex part is coming after the coordination sphere. The non-complex part is coming after the coordination sphere. We can call it as cationic. What we can call it as, my dears? Cationic. Clear or not, my dears? How many of you understood this one? See, if the non-complex part is coming after the coordination sphere, then we can call it as cationic. How many of you understood? How many of you understood? Okay, so the L, that if the counter ion is coming after the coordination sphere, then we can call it as what, my dears? And that is cationic. Now tell me, I'm just going to write another type of example. Just listen here. Just listen here, my dears. K4, for example, I'm just writing K4 Fe H2O 6 times. What, my dears? K2 FeH2O 6 times. So this is the compound. See where this counter ion is coming, my dears. Tell me where the counter ion is coming. The counter ion is coming before that, what, my dears? Coordination sphere. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong, my dears? So which one? See here, which one will get the positive charge? If it is decomposing, K will be always what, my dears? It's an what? Electropositive element. So it will become 2K plus what, my dears? Fe H2O 6 times what, my dears? 2 minus. Now, what is the charge of this coordination sphere, my dears? Tell me, what is the charge of the coordination sphere? The coordination sphere is having that negative charge. If it is coming the negative charge, then we can call it as what, my dears? Anionic. What is that called? Anionic. Clear or not? How many of you understood anionic and cationic? So, if the non-complex part or the counter ion is coming, before that coordination sphere, we can call it as what, my dears? Anionic. We can call it as anionic. If that what, my dears, the counter ion is coming after the coordination sphere, we can call it as cationic. There is another example. For example, I'm just writing platinum H2O 6 times. This complex I'm written here like this. Now see, my dears, what is the charge of this compound? What is the charge of? Is it that neutral, or is it an see, my dears, anionic, or is it cationic? If a simple compound is given, platinum H2O 6 times. Now there is no counter ion to check whether it is right or left. Am I right, my dears? There is no counter ion. There is no counter ion. So is it an anionic, cationic, or any other thing? Asna, is it anionic or cationic? This last example, platinum H2O 6 times. Is it anionic or cationic? It's neutral, my dears. It's what, my dears? Neutral. There is no anionic. It's not a cationic. It should be a neutral one. There is no anionic. There is no cationic. So there are 3 types are there. What are the 3 types, my dears? Tell me the 3 types. The first one is, tell me. What is the first one? What is the first one? Tell me, what is the first one? Anionic, cationic, and neutral. If your people are keeping quiet like this, I am also just keeping quiet, and I'm just stopping this process because I cannot continue like and what, my dears, as like a radio. No need. If you are ready to, that when I'm asking the question, if you are ready to reply, then I'm just continuing. Otherwise, I'm just stopping the process. So simply, I don't want to waste my time because already we are in that vacation and we are spending that time for you. Then, if you people are just responding like this, no doubt, my dears, I'm just keeping quiet and I'm just leaving the meeting. I have thousands of works. Tell me, are you ready to replay? Or else just keep quiet for now also. Then I will just leave the meeting. You can enjoy your what, my dears, vacation.
Ready, sir.
Who all are ready? The others can leave the meeting. I will give your attendance. Don't worry. The parents will never, the teachers will never call you. We will not call the parents and all to disturb you. Don't worry for that. Those who are ready to actively present in the class, you can sit in the class. Others, please leave the class and you just go for any other activity. Okay. I will not repeat this one. Whenever I'm asking, I need to get the answer back. If you're not giving that answer, I will kick you out of the class. I will call one by one. And if they are not giving the answer, the next moment I will kick them out of the class. Okay. Now see, listen, my dears. I'm just going to write some of the examples here. See, you can say that what type it is. You also can write. So the first one is what, my dears? In out of 10, we learned that is the first one is what, my dears? The first one is a type. Type we finish, almost we finish. Now I will give you another example. You can just see that is, see, I'm just writing the compound like this. Mn, H2O 6 times, Mn H2O 6 times. In square bracket on the top, it is given 3 plus. This is the first compound. The second compound is given Mn, another compound, what I will give, Na3, excuse me. The next question is given Na3, the next question is given Na3 square bracket FeCN6.
Sir, I cannot see.
Sir,
What?
we can't see what you're writing.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just write that question. Na3 FeCN6. Now the next one is given PT H2O 4 times is given like this. The next one is Cr H2O 3 times, Cr H2O 3 times, then Cn 3 times, Cn thrice. Then what, my dears?
So we
given
still
to-
can't see.
I can see.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see.
Is it okay now? Shraddha?
Yes, sir. I can see. Yes.
Okay, now tell me, my dears. What are the types? See, 4 examples are here. So anybody can start. What is the first one? First one is anionic, cationic, or neutral. First one. MnH2O 6 times 3 plus is an anionic. Jensen, tell me, is it anionic or cationic?
Anionic.
Anionic. Very good. So I understood that you were there in the class. Tell me, Wafik, is it anionic or cationic?
Cationic.
Why it is cationic?
Plus 3 charge.
Because it contains 3 plus charge. Am I right? So where
Yes,
you
sir.
are listening, Jensen? Jensen, here it is given that properly plus is there, 3 plus. So what is the meaning of that 3 plus? That is,
Cationic.
it's cationic. Tell me what is the next one? Na3 FeCN6. Can anybody please tell me what is this? It's an anionic cat or a cationic?
Cationic.
Na3 FeCN6.
Anionic.
Anionic. Why it is anionic? Because this Na3, see that counter ion is coming before the coordination sphere. Counter ion is coming before the coordination sphere, then it is what, my dears? It is anionic. It is what, my dears? Anionic. Because this sodium will get the positive charge and the non-complex charge, the coordination sphere will get what, my dears? -3. And what is that? What about this one? PTH2O 4 times. Anionic or cationic? Anybody? Aman, tell me.
Yes, sir.
What type of this one? Platinum H2O 4 times. Anionic, cationic, or neutral? You're asking to somebody?
Neutral.
Why it's neutral?
Because
Because? Now you understood, right? He was there in the class. See, Aman, if you're not interested, you can leave the meeting, okay? Don't simply waste your time. John Varghese, is it anionic, cationic, or neutral?
Cationic.
Huh?
Cationic.
Cationic. Why it is cationic?
Because the plus charge.
Where that is, this is what I'm asking, the third question.
Oh, third one. Neutral.
Why it's neutral?
Neither plus or minus.
Then this one,
Anionic.
why it is anionic?
Because it is coming in the left side.
Which one?
Na3.
What is that Na3 name? Non-complex part or counter ion. See here, there is no counter ion, there is no charge. That is the reason we can say that it is what, my dear? It is neutral. It is neutral. And what about this one, my dears? Raina, tell me the fourth one. Is it anionic, cationic, or neutral?
Cationic.
Cationic. Why it is cationic?
Because it has a positive charge.
Positive charge. Clear or not? So the first type is clear or not? The first one is clear or not, my dears? We discussed about the type. We discussed about the type. So types, there are three types are there. What are the three types, my dears? Anionic, cationic, and what, my dears? Neutral. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not, my dears?
Yes, sir.
Fine. See, we are going for the second one, oxidation number. See, you already have an idea about the oxidation number. Am I right, my dears? How many of you know that oxidation number last year we learned? Sarah Sali, do you remember that last year's that redox reaction chapter? We learned, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who learned? See, oxidation number, those who don't know that, what, my dears, how to find out the oxidation number also, I will tell you what, my dears. A simple technique how to learn this. See, for example, I'm just writing one compound, my dears. I'm just writing one compound. See, the compound what I'm writing, Mn. See here also I'm just writing that Mn. The same example I'm writing H2O 6 times Cl3. This is the compound. Okay, so what we are finding out, oxidation number. Second one is what, my dears? Oxidation number. How to find out the oxidation number, I will tell you. See, we are going to find out the oxidation number of the central atom. Whose oxidation number we are finding out, my dears? The oxidation number of the central atom. Oxidation number of the central atom. So here manganese is the central atom. Clear or not, my dears? So manganese is the central atom. Just give me 1 minute. See here, manganese is the central atom, so we are going to find out the oxidation number of the manganese. Now see, my dears, H2O is a neutral ligand. H2O is a neutral ligand. See, we learned what is a ligand. What is a ligand? Tell me what is a ligand, my dears. We learned the last class. Aradhi, what is a ligand?
So all the compounds after the central metal atom.
See, what is a ligand? That definition we told for ligands.
The negative ions are neutral molecule bonded. They are bonded to the central atom. They will donate minimum 1 pair of electron to this.
Very good, very good, very good. So it's a neutral or negatively charged. So H2O is a neutral ligand, so its charge is what, my dear? 0. Its charge is what, my dear? 0. And what is the charge of Cl, my dears? What is the charge of the Cl? Cl charge is -3, -1. Am I right or wrong? Chlorine, we know that what is the charge of the chlorine, my dears? Chlorine, the charge is -1. So like that, how many chlorine is there? 3 chlorine is there. So the total charge is what, my dears? -3. So it's a neutral compound. See this compound, manganese, how can we find out, my dears? So manganese, we can give X. And this one is what, my dear? 0. And this one is what, my dear? -1. So X plus what, my dear, is the sum of the, see, what is the rule number 7 we learned in that, what, my dear, is redox reaction. What is the rule number 7? Diana, tell me what is the rule number 7 in the redox reaction. Who knows that the rule number 7? Who knows the rule number 7?
The balancing number of electrons. Adding both the equations.
See, the sum of the oxidation number of a neutral molecule is equal to
Its charge.
that is the eighth one. The sum of the neutral molecule, the sum of the oxidation number of a neutral molecule is equal to 0. Is equal to what, my dear? 0. So I can write x plus 0 into 6. Why I am adding 6? Because here 6, what, my dear? H2 is there, right? 0 into 6 plus what, my dears, minus 1 into 3 is equal to 0. Correct. So this is an what, my dears, neutral. There is no charge. So this is a neutral molecule. So its sum will be what, my dears, 0. So x is equal to what, my dears? X is equal to plus 3. X is equal to what, my dears? Plus 3. So what is that, what, my dears? The oxidation number of Mn is plus 3. Oxidation number is what, my dears? Plus 3. Clear or not? Clear or not, my dears?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay, so what is the oxidation number of manganese? Manganese oxidation number is what, my dears? Plus 3. Clear? Now, see the next one. The next also you can just, you just find out that, see oxidation number, how to find out the oxidation number of, just I will give you one question. Please write that answer, my dears. Just find out Cr, the question is given Cr, H2O, H2O 3 times, Cn 3 times, square bracket, and what, my dears, the charge is given plus. So here what rule we should have to apply? The rule number 8. What is that rule number 8? The sum of the oxidation number of charged particle is equal to its charge. So now see, my dears, here 2 are there, that is H2O. H2O you already learned, it's a neutral ligand, so its charge is 0. Then what is the charge of Cn? Cn, the charge is minus 1. What is the charge of Cn, my dears? Minus 1. It's a negatively charged ligand. Cn is a negatively charged ligand, so Cn is having what, my dears? Minus 1 charge. So can you please find out the oxidation number? Then tell me that answer. What is the oxidation number, my dears?
Plus 4.
Very good, Fatin. Plus 4 is the oxidation number of chromium. So out of 10, we learned 2. What is the first one? The type. What is the second one? It is the, what, my dears? Oxidation number. How many of you got that 4 is the answer? How many of you got 4 is the answer? Oxidation number 4. Very good, my dears. Now the next question you can write. One more question you can write. All of you please write the next question. See, write the next question. Na3, then bracket FeCN6, FeCN6 times is the next question. And the next question is given what, my dears? En. What is En, my dears? Tell me what is En. Those who are attended the last class should have to tell that answer. What is En?
Chelating ligand.
Huh?
Chelating ligand.
It's a chelating ligand. What is the name of En? En is denoted for? Not studying, huh? Ethylene diamine. Very good, Umar. Platinum H2O, 4 times. Just find out this also. What is the coordination number? Sorry, oxidation number. And platinum Cl4. The next question is platinum Cl4, the square bracket. See, tell me the find out the oxidation number of all these compounds. Oxidation number of all these compounds. See, if you don't know, I will tell you that is, you don't know that En, right? What is the charge of En? En is a neutral or that charge that you don't know, right? So En is what, my dears? En is a neutral ligand. So the charge of En will be what, my dears? 0. The charge of En will be what, my dear? 0. The other all you know. You just find out that. Find it fast. Once you're done, please tell me. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me the answers. One by one, can say the answer. See, we can do one thing, my dears. We can continuously take the class, right? Without giving that break, we can just continue, right? We can wind it up early then. Is it okay?
Okay.
Or else you
Yes,
need the
sir.
break.
No, it's fine.
You need the break?
No need, sir.
comfortable for you, sir.
We can complete it first. Half an hour before we can wind it up.
ഓ സാറില്ലല്ലോ. റഫാനെ.
Yeah, bro.
ഹലോ റഫാൻ. സുഖല്ലേ?
സുഖാലേ? എടാ വേറെ ടീച്ചർ ഇല്ലേ?
ഇല്ലെന്ന് തോന്നി.
വൈബ്.
അസുമ ഹലോ. അമാൻ ഹലോ. അമാൻ ഹലോ.
അല്ല
എന്താണ് സുഖല്ലേ? നാട്ടിലൊക്കെ എങ്ങനെ? കണ്ടിട്ട് പറയാലോ.
ഞാനാടാ ഹോസ്റ്റ്. എന്താണ്
ഇരിക്കില്ലല്ലോ? ഇല്ല. നമുക്ക് ഇനിയും ചെയ്യാം. ഓ നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും മാഫി എടുക്കാം. പേപ്പർ എടുക്കും. കേട്ടോ.
നമുക്ക് വേറെ പണിയില്ലേടാ.
വെക്കേഷൻ എങ്ങനെ എല്ലാവരും പഠിക്കുന്നല്ലേ പുള്ളി? എടാ റഹ്മാനെ ജോണില് ഇല്ല എത്തിക്കില്ല. റഹ്മാനെ ജോണില് ഫുള്ള് പഠിപ്പ് വരും.
അയ്യടാ പിന്നെ
ജോണേ
എടാ ഓന് മറ്റേ ബ്രില്യന്റ് വെക്കേഷൻ ട്യൂഷൻ കയറി. സ്കൂൾ പഠിത്തോ? എന്താ പഠിപ്പ്?
അമ്മാറോ?
സ്കൂൾ പഠിപ്പ്. പത്തീന
നിങ്ങളൊരേ വീട്ടിലെ ക്ലാസ് ഇരിക്കുന്നത്?
ഞാൻ പോയിട്ടില്ല. ഇത് കിലോന് വാങ്ങുന്ന പേപ്പറാ.
അമ്മാർ നീ എപ്പ എത്തി?
അമ്മാരൊക്കെ എത്തുന്നേ. റിലാക്സ് മാൻ. ഈ ചങ്ങായി
സാർ സാറും പറയുന്നില്ല. സത്യം കളിച്ചോ? ഉണ്ടാ
പട്ടി വെറുതെ പറയുന്നു.
ആറുണ്ട്.
പോട് വെറുതെ പറയും. വെറുതെ പറയത്തെ.